Hey Tool Nuts, I'm Doug with ToolNut.com. Today in this video, we're going to be going over the Milwaukee M18 FUEL mower. All right, so another great addition once again to the ever-growing line of M18 tools from Milwaukee. For full specs, details, and pricing, you're going to want to head over to ToolNut.com. I'm not going to hit on everything. I'm going to hit the major points on this. We'll show you the different key features and some of the controls. So with this mower, it delivers more max torque than a 200cc gas engine. It delivers up to 60 minutes of runtime of up to a half an acre cutting when removing 1 inch of grass at 3 miles per hour on self-propelled pace. So right there, you know by me just saying it, this is self-propelled. You don't have to use that, but you have that option to help you through on hills, different terrain. So let's go first, like I always do, how is this being offered by Milwaukee and how are we selling it on ToolNut.com? So here I have the kit. So obviously you're gonna get the mower, you're gonna get the bag, you're gonna get the rear side chute. There is a mulching plug, which I'll show you in a minute here. You're gonna get 2 M18 12 amp hour batteries, high output, and then you're going to get the rapid charger on that. All right, so I'm going to put that out of the way here. I will put these in here. You do have to use both batteries to operate this. If you only have one in or one dies before the other one, it's going to turn off. You can use any M18 battery as well in this, but for the best runtime, you're going to want to use the 12 amp hour batteries. All right. The other way now that this is being offered is as a bare tool, meaning you're not going to get the 2 batteries, you're not going to get the dual rapid charger. You'll get everything else with the mower. So you can see here, I put in the batteries. Your fuel gauge is going to be here on that. You do have 2 top handles there for movement, storage, getting in and out if you're putting it in the back of a car or a truck, SUV. 21-inch steel deck, all right, on that. Out of box, super simple. I think I had to put some of the handle knobs together. You have multiple positions on this. Quick pins here, you can see lock in at 3 different positions. That's the lowest. The highest would be here. This folds down if you lock it in. I'll show you when I take this off in a second. The best part about this is you can store it standing up. All right, but let's go through some of the controls here real quick. Turn it towards you. As soon as I hit the button there, fuel gauge went back on. This is going to be for your LED lights. You can see front and side on that. I like that. Again, self-propelled, so this will go 0 to 4 miles per hour, yes, on that. That's going to be your control here on that. This is your safety. This is going to be for your self-propelled right here. So let's see, maybe Jack, let me step back, push that, and you can see as I do that, won't operate. Got to always have this in place there. And this again is your speed control right here on that. Your main power switch is here. Again, LEDs you can turn on and off there. So this has a high lift mode. That button is going to be right here. All right, so that, let me read it here, delivers higher blade speed for superior airflow and increased lift. So that's going to be that button right there. If we were going to turn this on, so that's right, height adjustment. There are 7 positions here. So you can go from, I believe, 1 inch up to 4 inch, and that's in half-inch increments for that. So very quick and easy. You can see it adjusts all 4 wheels. Oop. Just don't let it go like I did. That's all, because it is spring-loaded. Just make sure it locks into detent, and that won't do that on you like it just did to me. I wasn't locked in. On that, let's see. Yes, okay, let's go over. This has three different options when it comes to how you're going to collect your grass. So you have the bag. It does come with that. That's the only other thing I had to do is put the frame into the bag there. So I mentioned the mulching plug. If you want to mulch, I thought maybe at first this was a packing thing. Don't throw that out. That's your mulching plug. That goes in there. This goes down and it just mulches up the grass more. So you're not going to collect it, just going to go to the ground. So that's the mulching plug. The third option that you have is this rear side chute. So you'd have to obviously take this out, the plug, and then this just goes in. Got nice little arrows there to remind you. Same thing here. Just get it lined up. Oh, and there is also a centering point there. So as long as you get everything lined up like that properly, there we go. That goes down, and then it's going to shoot the grass out the side. Nice little skid flap there. Keep the debris from coming back at you. So again, you're going to get the plug, the rear side chute, and the bag come with the mower. Let me just see what else we got here before I go to accessories on that are available for it. Make sure I didn't forget anything else here. Yeah, no, got the LED lights. Let's show how to fold this up. Let's take, quick and easy. Again, these come out like that, lock into place, keep the pin out of the way for you. You go all the way forward, and then let those go in. And then, that's one of the uses for the handle here as well. You can lift it here, and then it just stands up. Got two metal feet here. And that's how that stores. Actually, we'll get a shot of the back there, Jack. Comes with the standard blade on it. All right, is also included, but you got two accessories here. You have a cover, so when it's stored like this, standing up, you can cover it. And then you also have, you can get, this is the high lift mower blade for it. You can see this is standard, slightly different there. You can also buy replacement of this blade at toolnut.com. As always, want to keep cool while you're working, Milwaukee now offers some cooling towels. And always remember to wear your PPE and your glasses. So I think we covered everything on this. Again, for full specs, details, and pricing, head over now to toolnut.com.